1-2 test match 5-0.
میں تیار ہوں. میں اس قوم کا بیٹا ہوں. اس قوم کا مجھ پہ حق ہے. میں تیار ہوں.
I am Fatuma Izzadeen and I am from Sri Lanka. We are here to participate for the Asian Individual Squash Championships, and Pakistan has been amazing. They've been so nice to us. The security is amazing. It feels like home, alhamdulillah. The weather outside, to everything, it's a wonderful experience, and I think people should come here and see the true beauty of Pakistan, and I really thank everyone from Pakistan for taking such good care of all of us. Thank you, alhamdulillah.
My name is Yao and I'm from Malaysia. I'm very happy to be in Pakistan to compete in the 21st Asian Individual Championship. We all feel really safe and secure here, and the food has been amazing as well. Hotel's been great, everything's been amazing.
Hello, I'm Ho Chi Lok from Hong Kong, and this is my first time to Pakistan. And I think the people here is very nice and friendly, and I feel I'm safe. So this is nice to be the first time to Pakistan.
Hi everyone, I'm Chanyuwan from Malaysia. And first of all, I would like to thank Pakistan Squash Federation and also Pakistan Air Force for hosting this tournament. So I would like to encourage and recommend the players all over the world to come over and visit Pakistan.
Hi, my name is Hussein Zatari. I'm from Kuwait. I would like to thank Pakistan and Pakistan Squash Federation for having us and providing security.
My name is Abdullah Al-Tamimi. I'm here to present Qatar as the Asian Individuals here in Islamabad. And of course the security has always been good here since I came last time, and still is as good or even better.